Hello everyone! Did you know that a single word can change the way you express yourself? In this video, we're on a quest to master one of the most powerful prepositions in the English language. We'll explore 8 ways to use it that will not only enrich your grammar, but also make you sound way more natural. Let's jump right in. When we say by with a place, it usually means beside, at the side of, next to, or close to that place. Let me give you some examples. The house is by a river. David lives by a train station. I would love to live in a house by the sea. Using by helps us describe where things are located in a way that usually implies they are within a close or reachable distance. The phrase by, followed by a method of transport, indicates the means by which someone travels or transports an object. It specifies how the journey is made. For example, traveling using an airplane, bus, car, taxi, boat, or train. David went to Manchester by train. My parents often go to France by boat. I go to work by car. Our children like to travel by plane. In these examples, by indicates the mode of transport used for the journey. It emphasizes the method itself, often implying the manner of traveling rather than the destination. The phrase by, followed by a method of communication, typically indicates how a message or information is being conveyed. By telephone, by post, by email, by fax. I spoke to her by telephone. I will send you the invoice by post. Please confirm the order by email. It tells you the way they are communicating. The phrase by, followed by a method of payment, typically indicates the means through which a transaction is completed. For example, by credit card or by check. Can I pay by credit card? We paid for the computer by check. Essentially, it specifies how the payment is being made in a transaction context. Note that we do not use by for cash payments. We use the preposition in. David paid in cash for the newspaper. When we use by with a time expression, it means no later than a specific time or before a particular deadline. It emphasizes that something should happen at or before a certain point in time, but not after. Guests must leave their hotel rooms by 11 a.m. Please send us the payment by tomorrow. Students must enroll by the end of June. Students must enroll by the end of June. The construction by plus gerund, the ing form of a verb, is used to indicate the method by which an action is achieved. It often emphasizes how something is done. For example, you can turn on the radio by pressing that button. The phrase pressing the button describes how to do something, how to turn on the radio. Question is, how can I turn on the radio? Answer, by pressing the button. The word by is often used in sentences where something is being done to someone or something. This is called the passive voice. In these sentences, by tells us who or what is doing the action. Instead of focusing on who is doing it, the sentence focuses on what is being done. Let's see examples. First, let's look at a sentence using the active voice. David is cleaning the kitchen. In the above sentence, David is the person doing the action. When we convert this sentence to the passive voice, we say, the kitchen is being cleaned by David. Here are some more examples. The book was written by Sarah. The concert was organized by our school. So, in passive sentences, by shows the person or thing that made the action happen. When we use by with the reflexive pronouns, it means that someone is doing something alone or without help from others. Let me give you some examples. I enjoy reading by myself. Sarah is studying by herself. Let's do something by ourselves. My parents often go on holiday by themselves. Remember that, using by with a reflexive pronoun emphasizes independence in doing something on one's own. And there you have it, 8 different ways to use the preposition by. From talking about location and time to showing who did an action or doing something on our own, by is a small word with a lot of flexibility. I hope these examples help you feel more confident using it in different situations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or other uses of by you'd like to share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.